Hello friends, welcome to Trend Tech Guide. Today I'll show you how to find recently watched videos on Facebook. First of all, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. Over here you can see I am here in my Facebook. Now to find the recently watched videos, first of all tap on your profile and over here go to this settings and privacy. Now click on this settings. And now you will find this interface. Here you can see here is activity log. You can also find this on the left menu of your information. Over here click on this or this any one. I'll go with this activity log on the left panel. I'll click on this and after that you can see here is multiple bunch of options. Here you can see videos you have searched for, videos you have watched, your search history, groups you have searched for, comments and multiple many options. If you want to see the recently watched video, just click on these videos you have watched and over here you can find this all. For now I have already cleared this all videos, so here is no watch history, but you can find this over here. So in this way we can find recently watched videos on Facebook. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.